Question number 1. Zoran Milanovic has been elected as president of which country in January 2025? Option A, Croatia. Option B, Bulgaria. Option C, Romania. Option D, Bosnia. Correct answer. Option A, Croatia. Explanation. Zoran Milanovic was re-elected as president of Croatia for a 5-year term, securing 74% of the runoff vote. The first round of the presidential election on 29th December 2024 saw Milanovic win 49.1% of votes, necessitating a second round on 12th January 2025. Milanovic, backed by the opposition Social Democratic Party, is a critic of the EU and NATO, but condemned Russia's invasion of Ukraine while criticizing Western military support for Ukraine. The Croatian Democratic Union, the ruling party since 1991, had its candidate, Dragan Primorac, secure 19.2% of votes. The president in Croatia is the head of state with limited executive powers, while the prime minister holds real executive authority. Croatia is located on the Balkan Peninsula along the Adriatic Sea. Question number 2. Nedunthevu Island, that was recently seen in news, is located in which country? Option A, Bangladesh. Option B, Myanmar. Option C, Sri Lanka. Option D, Indonesia. Correct answer, option C, Sri Lanka. Explanation. The Sri Lankan Navy recently arrested 17 Indian fishermen near Nedunthevu Island. Nedunthevu, also called Delft Island, is the largest island in the Palk Strait, Sri Lanka. It covers 50 square kilometer with an 8-kilometer length and 6-kilometer width. The island is flat, oval-shaped, and often windswept, offering a soothing environment. It lacks streams. Fresh water comes from surface water and artificial ponds. The island has dry shrubs, semi-arid tropical plants, and tall palm trees. A Dutch fort made of coral chunks is located on the island, which has a population of 4,800. Question number 3. Which city is the host of Coco World Cup 2025? Option A, Bengaluru. Option B, New Delhi. Option C, Hyderabad. Option D, Chennai. Correct answer. Option C, New Delhi. Explanation. The first Coco World Cup began on 13th January 2025 at Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium, New Delhi. It was inaugurated by Sudhanshu Mittal, President of the Coco Federation of India. It was organized by the Coco Federation of India with support from the Indian Olympic Association. The event runs from January 13th to January 19, 2025. Each team has 12 players, with 9 taking the field during a match. The tournament features men's teams from 20 countries and women's teams from 19 countries, divided into 4 groups. India's men's team is led by Pratik Vaikar, and the women's team by Priyanka Ingle. Question number 4. Indravati National Park is located in which state? Option A, Odisha. Option B, Andhra Pradesh. Option C, Jharkhand. Option D, Chhattisgarh. Correct answer, option D, Chhattisgarh. Explanation. 5 Maoists, including 2 women, were killed in an encounter with security forces in Indravati National Park, Bijapur, Chhattisgarh. Indravati National Park is located in Bijapur district, Chhattisgarh. It was established in 1981. It became a tiger reserve in 1983 under India's Project Tiger. The park is named after the Indravati River, which flows east to west and forms its northern boundary with Maharashtra. Question number 5. Neptune missile is developed by which country? Option A, Ukraine. Option B, China. Option C, Iran. Option D, Israel. Correct answer option A, Ukraine. Explanation: Ukraine's security service and navy used a Neptune missile to strike an ammunition depot in Russia's Rostov region. The R-360 Neptune is a Ukrainian-made subsonic cruise missile, originally designed for anti-ship use and later adapted for land attacks. It is based on the Russian K-35 missile known as AS-20 Kayak by NATO. The missile entered service with the Ukrainian Navy in March 2021. It weighs 870 kilograms, is 5.05 meters long, and has a 400-kilometer range. It travels at 900 kilometers per hour, with altitudes from 10 to 300 meters, dropping to 3 meters in the final phase.